Foxo? I feel like this is a weekend, huh? Congratulations! Well, we should probably do something. Go to QSS. I'm in the wrong place to Solos College, right? Congratulations! Okay, so QSS it is.
Well, if I have to do with that Lammis, that means it's nighttime already.
Hey, what's the matter, Lammis? I feel like I feel like I was kicked out by Mimi and her magical girls. Well, that's too bad. You're going to QSS because you went to the wrong school, right? Yeah, I was transferring to a different school, but I have to go back to QSS to make my English class better. Oh, well, I guess I guess it should be better. All right, thanks a lot. You're very welcome. Good night. Good night. It looks like I have to just go to sleep.
Well, I can go for sleep too, since I'm a vending machine.